Is Bitcoin true to itself? The history of Bitcoin begins in 2008, when the article, Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic financial system, was published, which was written by the so-called Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin has been introduced to the world as a payment instrument capable of building trust through blockchain technology, proof of work and cryptography. It was assumed that anyone who wanted could join the mining of Bitcoin without having a lot of processing power. Thus, the concentration of money would not be under the control of the government or institutions, and a decentralized network for the production and transfer of money would be created. But did it work out like that? Mining was supposed to be done by computer processors at will, and it will not be produced on an industrial scale. Practically, ASIC machines are mining, and legal entities with one CPU have no right at the network. This led to Bitcoin's control power to gradually be taken out of ordinary people's hands and in the hands of who performed industrial mining. The reward for mining blocks has also decreased. At first, the rewards were 50 BTC per block mined. Now this amount is being halved every 4 years. This leads to the fact that after a while, the use of the network will become impossible due to the high price of BTC, the lack of new coins, and the high cost of transactions. It was supposed that different people in the network would have equal power, or in other words, to be peer-to-peer. In action, now mining pools that confirm the transactions and make the blocks possess much more power than ordinary individuals, and being peer-to-peer is not true anymore. Today, Bitcoin is not what its creator Satoshi Nakamoto intended.